How to set who can send you friend request on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, go to menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this. Here you can see the how people find and contact you. Okay, you can tap this. And here in your friends section, you can see who can send you friend request. And the who can send you friend request is set into friend of friend. Okay, you can change this or set this by tap the who can send you friend request. And okay, here you can see the option, so you can set into everyone or friend of friend. And I decide to set into everyone. And after you set, okay, tap the save button below to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set who can send friend requests on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.